How to link PayPal to a bank account in the PayPal app on an iPhone or Android phone. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets PayPal tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily link PayPal to your bank account using the PayPal app on your iPhone or your Android phone. And if you're trying to do this in the desktop browser, maybe on a computer, check the description because I have a separate tutorial covering how to link your bank account in a desktop computer in the browser. All right, so to get started with linking our PayPal to a bank account, first thing we need to do is simply open up the PayPal app on our iPhone or Android phone. And then once it's open, go to the bottom menu and select the card icon in the bottom right. Once we're here, what we want to do in the top menu, just make sure that it says Wallet. And then below, you'll see Bank and Cards. Select the plus button next to Bank and Cards. And then in the new menu that opens up, select Banks. You might have to enter your password, so go ahead and do that. This will bring you to the Link Your Bank page. From here, we just need to find and select our banks. You might be able to find it in the popular banks below, but if you don't, maybe you have a credit union or a small regional bank, just use the search at the top and you can type it in and it should be there. Once you find your bank, just select it. I'm going to use Bank of America as an example. Once you get to start using your bank today, you really have two options to link your PayPal to your bank account. The first, which is very self-explanatory, is you just enter the credentials, password, and login for your bank account right here, and then select Agree and Link. This gives PayPal the ability to log into your bank account, and they can get the information they need to instantly link your PayPal to your bank account. But if you're like me and you're worried about privacy with doing that, you can scroll all the way to the bottom and select Link Your Bank Another Way. This process does take a little bit longer, 2 to 3 business days. And to get started with that, just select Link Your Bank Another Way. Once here, select your account type, either checkings or savings, and then enter the routing number for your bank and the account number for your bank account. If you don't have this information, you can get it off your bank statement or contact your bank. They'll be happy to provide it. Once you've entered that information, select Agree and Link, and then PayPal will send 2 transactions of less than 50 cents to your bank account, and this might take a couple days. And they'll look like this. Once you get those transactions in your bank account, go back to the PayPal app on your phone and select the card icon again on the right side of the bottom menu to go to your wallet. And then under Banks and Cards, you should see your bank there. Select Confirm Bank. Once your bank loads, select Confirm Your Bank under Account Type. It's going to try to get you to log in again, but scroll down to the bottom and select No, Continue with 2 small deposits. Now you just enter the deposit amounts for each of the transactions and then select Confirm. If you entered the right transaction amounts, you'll then see that your bank account has been confirmed and you can select Done. And then at the top, it'll say you have confirmed your bank account and you've now linked your PayPal account to your bank account. All right, so that's how you link PayPal to your bank account within the PayPal app on an iPhone or an Android phone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more PayPal tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.